Bedoys and the Tooth Fairy. Check this out, Lois. I got a loose tooth. Do you think tooth fairies are real? Of course they're real. What kind of question is that? How do you know? Have you seen one? No, but everyone knows they're real. Mommy, I have a loose tooth. Do you think the tooth fairy is real? Why don't you put your tooth under the pillow and find out? If the tooth fairy is real, she'll collect your tooth and give you money for it. Show me which tooth is loose. This one. Wait, where is it? Oh no, it must have fallen off. Lois, have you seen my tooth? Did you take it? Ugh. Why would I take your tooth? I already have one, see? Never mind, I found it. I'm going to put it under my pillow right now. Roys Bedoys is so excited. I wonder if the tooth fairy is going to come tonight. The very next morning. What? The tooth fairy didn't take my tooth and there's no money. Mommy, the tooth fairy didn't show up last night. Look, the tooth fairy left money under my pillow. Oops. The tooth fairy must have made a mistake. Give me my money, Lois. It's mine. No, it's not. It was under my pillow, so it's mine. It's not fair. I was the one who lost a tooth. Instead of crying, why don't you think of a solution, Roys Bedoys? Roys Bedoys, make a smart choice. Oh, he's thinking, how is he going to solve this problem? I'm going to write a letter to the tooth fairy and tell her she made a mistake. Dear tooth fairy, you went to the wrong room last night and gave money to Lois instead of me. My room is the cooler one. Love, Roys Bedoys. The next morning, rise and shine. I hope the tooth fairy got my letter. Let me check under the pillow. Cool. I got $2. And there's fairy glitter everywhere. The tooth fairy is real. Do you think the tooth fairy is real? Let me know in the comments below. The end.